Kinhank HDD retro gaming hard drive is marketed as a plug-and-play external hard drive loaded with thousands of retro games and emulators for PC. It promises instant access to classic titles without the hassle of setting everything up yourself. But the real question is it worth buying? Now, to be fair, Kinhank products are popular among retro gaming enthusiasts because they offer a convenient all-in-one experience. What it does well: huge game library. Many versions come preloaded with thousands of retro games spanning multiple classic consoles. Plug-and-play setup. Simply connect the drive to a compatible PC, and most of the software is already configured. Where the hype falls apart, game quality varies. A large library doesn't necessarily mean every game runs perfectly. Some titles may have performance issues, duplicates, or incorrect metadata. Storage size doesn't equal better value. Many of the extra games are lesser-known titles that you may never play. Legal concerns exist. Some preloaded game collections may include ROMs that raise copyright questions depending on your country and whether you own the original games. So, should you buy the Kinhank HDD retro gaming hard drive? Short answer: yes, if you value convenience. If you want an easy way to experience retro gaming without configuring everything yourself, it can be a fun purchase. But if you're mainly interested in a handful of classic games or want complete control over your setup, building your own emulator library may be the better option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.